Bougie. In today's video, we are discussing wholesale charm vendor charm, bracelet charms. I don't know. I don't sell it, but I'm helping you all. But before we jump into this video, if this is your first time seeing me, hi, my name is Kiera. If you just like to see my face and you feeling my vibes already, then don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button. If you are a current subscriber, hey y'all, how y'all doing? But yeah, if you are new, hit that subscribe button so I can give you more content. Like, you clicked on this video, so just hit that subscribe button. Follow me on my socials, follow me on my Instagram, follow me on my Twitter so you can keep up to date with me. Okay, so now let's just jump into the video. So after like a couple of my videos, like a lot of people asked for like all type of vendors, like furry slides, colorful purses, jewelry, all type of stuff, designer stuff. And now people are asking me about wholesale vendor charms, like the little charm bracelets, like I'll insert a picture right here, but like the bracelets, we can put like all type of stuff, like music, if you're a dancer, if you're an artist, a painter, if you want a designer, all that. It's like those bracelets. I don't sell them, but I did find the vendors for you all because I know like it is hard finding vendors. Like, it's so hard finding vendors. Even when I was looking, these vendors was harder than finding clothing vendors. Like, wow, I can't sell this. I can't sell this. But let's just jump into the video. Okay, so I did some research and I did find some vendors. And I know one person specifically asked for designer vendors, and I did find some. So stay tuned and watch this entire video, and you'll get that information. So in today's video, I have 5 vendors that I found. So we can discuss those 5 vendors. I'll put their information in this video. So get your pen and your pad out and be like me. If you are a current subscriber, you know I'm always taking notes and I'm always referring to my little notebook. So yeah, if you are new, girl, I like to write it down. If I don't write it down, it didn't happen. So anyway, I have Okay, I have 5 vendors for this video. So not all of them are designer vendors, but most of them have like cute, girly stuff, feminine stuff, curly, colorful stuff, and yeah, it's really cute. So the first vendor that I found is called 8 Seasons. So I actually found them online. I didn't find them on Instagram. So it's called 8, like the number 8 seasons.com. So they actually have like all type of stuff. Like they have refillable bottles, like if you're doing sanitizer and stuff. They have like gloves, everything, charms, so much stuff. So I found this website just from doing like a general like Google search. Rainbows, hearts, all types of stuff. And the price varies depending on how many pieces you buy, and that's standard for wholesale. So yeah, it's really cute, really friendly, really girly, really just youthful. So yeah, 8 Seasons, they're pretty affordable. Again, I am not selling bracelets like this. I'm not really selling bracelets. I am going to start selling accessories on my website, but I won't be selling these type of bracelets at all. I just don't want to. But yeah, so 8seasons.com. Okay, now the next vendor that I found, and this was also from a Google search. I didn't find this person on Instagram. Wara Charms, and I found them just doing like a Google search. I did not find them on Instagram. So let's see. So this website is very clean. It's very organized. So you can just like you can just click the category. Like they have like animals, claws, enamel. What is enamel? What does that even mean? I don't know. Flowers, hearts, rhinestones, all types of stuff. So they have it like in categories. It's very organized, and you can just click it and you can just see. Like as you can see right now on the screen, very organized. You can just click and see what you want. But yeah, this is another vendor that I found. It's very clean, very fresh, very feminine, very youthful. This is not designer. These are not designer. that you're seeing on the screen, this is not designer. It's just like cute stuff you would put on your bracelet. Like if you like to bake, you can have cupcakes and cookware and silverware and all that good stuff. If you like to dance, you can have like ballet slippers and like a ballerina or something like that. If you like animals, you can just put stuff like that on there. And it's really, really cheap. Like these prices are crazy. Like I'm looking at like the little paw print for like a dog, and it's like 28 cents a piece. So yeah, it's very, very cheap. Interesting. All right, Wara charms. Okay, so now we are moving into the Instagram places that I found. Instagram boutique is called Bougie _pieces. So with this, I think this is actually a girl that has like her own boutique or whatever, but she sells the charms whole. So she's a wholesale charm vendor. That's what it says actually. So as you can see, she has like the designer stuff. She has like the Louis. She has the Fendi, the Chanel. Like she has like all the designer like fashionable stuff. And she also has like her own boutique as well. So shout out to you, girl, because you was doing it. So yeah, her name is Bougie _pieces, and you can just go straight to her website and you can see like everything that she sells. Right now it looks like her charms are sold out, but I'm sure she'll replenish everything. But yeah, like if you're looking for like all the designer pieces, all the designer labels and fashion, all that good stuff, so you can go straight to her. Oh, and she also sells the bangles too, like the little bangles for the bracelet. Oh, next vendor that I found on Instagram is called the Charm Girls. So with this girl, it's actually a little tricky because in her bio, so with this girl, it's actually a little tricky because in her bio it says, I do not sell vendors. So she does not sell vendors, but she does offer wholesale for certain items. So if you see something that you really like on her site, on her Instagram page, just reach out to her and see if this piece is offered in wholesale. So yeah, like again, she's quite similar to the last girl. She has like the designer, the Fendi, the Gucci, the Chanel, like all the in your face, the Louis, very colorful pieces, very cute pieces I might add, like very, very cute. So if you are just solely looking for designer bracelet pieces, then I would strongly recommend Bougie pieces and the Charm Girls, if that's what you're really looking for. Okay. And now we're on to our last vendor. Okay, so our last vendor is actually a combination of vendors. So I actually did some digging just to find this stuff for myself. So I'm actually going to show you guys how I found vendors on AliExpress. So I was just doing some digging, and then I don't know how I got on AliExpress website. I'm not really a fan of AliExpress because like I had that one bad experience and I just don't like them no more. But I know a lot of people that like them or whatever. But anyway, I'm going to show you guys how I found charms and bracelets and everything just from doing some searches on AliExpress. And I can show you all how you can do it and find it for yourself as well. All right, so let's get to it. So I got you guys some regular vendors, and I got you guys some in-your-face designer, flaunt it all, just type vendors. So I hope this was able to help at least one person. But that is the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If there's something that you want to see on the next video, please let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed to my channel. And then I will catch you guys on the next video. Again, thank you guys for watching. Just go watch some other videos.